A modernized enterprise has a modernized altitude. This modernized building in height of 128 meters is the headquarters of Midea, setting environmental protection, intelligence, and science in one. Success is not a miracle, but a track. 45 years ago, He Xiangjin, entrepreneur of Midea Group, collected RMB 5,000 and led 23 companions through a hard period of starting a business. Since the 1980s, Midea has successively marched into fans, air conditioners, and multiple home appliances field, gradually developing to a white goods centralized group covering diversified fields, including logistics, real estate, and investment. Midea holds the most powerful air conditioners, refrigerators, and washing machines industry clusters, and the largest and most complete small appliance and kitchen appliance product groups. With the innovating talent philosophy, business philosophy, and brand philosophy, Midea attracts excellent talents from all over the world.
60年代创业的时候用北教人，70年代用顺德人，80年代用广东人，90年代用全国的人才，21世纪了，我们全世界的人才都用起来。
In Midea X-Pro Center, residential air conditioners stand for Midea's innovation and science. This futuristic building is Midea Air Conditioning Refrigeration Research Institute, which controls the future of Midea's air conditioning. It is also one of the few Chinese household appliance enterprises that possesses a doctoral research station. In this dust-free workshop building, what is being produced is air conditioners' brain chips. This chip production line, which raises stringent requirements for temperature, humidity, and light, represents the core competence of inverter air conditioning. Currently, only a few household appliance enterprises are able to produce the chip and circuit board on their own. Midea is one of them. In the new Technology Demonstration Center, we can clearly experience Midea's height in terms of energy saving, environmental protection, and intelligence. Midea masters the technologies of 0.1 Hz low-frequency control, 0.1 watt standby, and plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius temperature control. This inverter control technology with 0.1 grade accuracy was unimaginable formerly.
节能是空调永恒的话题。美的全直流变频空调，一晚仅需1度电的节能效果，是基于对节能技术的突破。这个技术申请了中国的发明专利，是中国第一台可以向用户承诺耗电量的空调器。
Midea developed R290 new refrigerant products, which employs the ideal perspective refrigerant without damaging the ozonosphere or generating greenhouse effect, and acquired special funding from the United Nations Multilateral Fund. Additionally, Midea developed the international leading solar air conditioner.
到目前为止，在国内也只有美的太阳能空调器实现了上市销售，并在用户家庭中使用。
Now, the network and intelligent control technologies are changing day by day. Even without a remote controller, you can control Midea air conditioner with a smart device, such as an iPad, or control it via voice. It can understand your orders.
语音开启，空调功能开始运行，26度环保模式。
This is the future generation air conditioner of the Internet of Things. Midea Air Conditioning has a complete industrial chain, the largest compressor production base in the world, and the largest fan motor production line in China. Midea masters the technology of producing the air conditioner's aorta heat exchanger and can independently research and develop the chip and sophisticated circuit module. This plant is equipped with the ultimate production line. As early as 10 years ago, Midea took the lead in bringing in the complete sets of international leading production and detection equipment. Today, intelligent robots and practiced workers are the organic composition on the production line. They bring production efficiency and humanized management into full play. Every Midea air conditioner is produced from the highly standardized procedure. We have 6 highly automatic pieces of detection equipment to assure the quality.
这里的每一条生产线都有严格的规定，每一台产品都是经过严格的检控，确保每一台产品的质量。身为美的人，这是我们的责任。
Currently, Midea has 6 production bases in China and 5 production bases overseas. In average, they can produce an air conditioner within only 1 second, nearly 100,000 sets every day. In the world, 20 of every 100 air conditioners are produced by Midea. To achieve the highest quality, Midea needs to exercise the complete simulation environment trial and dozens of strict professional quality tests on the products. Here is not the concert hall, but the quietest place in the plant, Noise Test Laboratory, for testing the muting performance to cater for the requirements of the operating environments all over the world. The Environment Simulation Laboratory can simulate various extreme weather environments, such as the extremely cold Arctic climate, equatorial desert climate, rainforest climate with year-long rainstorm, coastal climate with frequent typhoon. These extremely rough weather and environment constantly test every Midea air conditioner. To provide the most comfortable experience for customers, the 3-dimensional space experiment
利用室内的近千个传感器，每时每刻收集和分析室内的环境数据，确保我们的空调器即使在最恶劣的室外温度条件下，依然能够发挥出最佳的使用性能。
Here, the promised land for the long-distance runners in this laboratory, they have been running more than 9,000 hours without intention to stop. They must run more than 10,000 hours before graduation. Moreover, to prevent the products from being damaged, during transportation and installation, we designed violent vibration and high-altitude drop tests. From simple assembling to the worldwide industrial chain, from purchasing technologies to mastering technologies, from Shunda to talent globalization, every step taken by Midea was a self-transcendence. Every year, more than 100 million Midea products go into families all over the world. Midea, creating a better life for humanity.